Namaskar friends. Let's understand the different types of loneliness. Number one, emotional loneliness. One of the fundamental needs of an individual is the desire to love and the desire to be loved. In fact, they say the desire to be loved is far stronger in almost all individuals. So, if you experience emotional insecurity, in other words, if your emotions are not well taken care by yourself or by your partner or by people who you consider important in your life, the experience is emotional insecurity. Say one of the important requirements is each one should experience emotional security. A lack of it creates emotional loneliness. So watch out, friends. Let there be emotional well-being. Let there be emotional fulfillment. And the more and more you allow your emotions to lie low, to not to be catered to in the right way, you will experience emotional loneliness. And that's one of the silent killers for many people. The next type of loneliness is social loneliness. You want a lot of life's experiences for social loneliness. You need friends, you need events, you need experiences for you to feel nice, for you to feel better. This is a quality of an extroverted person. The thought is, whatever the social circle you have, it always appears insufficient. It is never enough. You need more and more of your social circle to be enhanced. And you've got to be watchful because it can never service your needs. The more you want, the more you always desire to have. So watch out. It has never been enough. So social loneliness is where your social circle constantly needs to be catered to. You want more and more of people, of experiences, and that could be a difficult one to deal with. The third one is self-worth loneliness. When your self-belief, when your self-esteem is low, your self-worth appears very low and it results in a poor self-image. You will experience loneliness. So, even if nobody believes in you, friends, you have to believe in yourself. You understand your present position, situation, your qualities. You know where you have to work on yourself, how you need to improve, what are the tools required to better yourself. Make sure that you have the right self-image. Self-worth. You know you have to improve, but you never are low with your self-image. So otherwise you become a victim of self-worth loneliness, and that has an enormous impact on your confidence, on your inspiration, and on your motivation. So it's not worth having a low self-image, friends. Self-worth loneliness doesn't help you at all. So watch out. Watch out. Friends, nobody wants to be lonely, but the fact is there are many people who are lonely. The study shows loneliness when a person goes through, they say it is equal, loneliness in a day, if you go through, it is equal to smoking 15 cigarettes a day. They say that is how toxic loneliness can be to an individual. Then they say over 60% of married people are lonely. Not a good sign. And they say women tend to experience loneliness more than men. They say loneliness is increasing in the age group of 18 to 24. The United Kingdom has a minister for loneliness. Friends, loneliness could be one of the biggest killers of humanity. If you're not careful, watch out. Let's banish loneliness. Let's work on ourselves. Let's strengthen our mind and intellect. Let's enhance our spiritual connectedness. And you see the difference. You will be able to deal with loneliness. There will be self-sufficiency. There will be spiritual growth. Think about it. It's very important.